Alright, Mofeng Jiaoxi MF6. Let's take a look. So this is Mofeng Jiaoxi's new budget 6x6, and they've made some really good budget cubes in the past, so let's take a look at this one and see if it's worth picking up. So first impressions, it looks really nice. So it has Moyu shades on it, which look pretty good. It doesn't feel too heavy, the size seems okay. There's some little stuff on the stickers, but that should be fine. Sticker placement seems a little bit off though. Like if you compare it to like the Wuhua, then like sticker placement is better on that cube, but it's a budget cube. Let's do some first turns. Okay, that's weird. So it seems like the outer layers are slower than the inner layers. Like I swear, this very middle layer is the fastest layer. So that's a little bit weird. Overall, like, I'm really impressed with the speed in general. Like nothing about it seems really sluggish. It seems like there's a really little resistance in every single turn. So I really like that. Although I am getting a few catches, but you know it's a budget 6x6 and I can't really expect that much out of it. I mean, the catches aren't even that bad. I'm pretty sure if I started doing some solves, the times would be fine. And also, if I loosen this cube a little bit more, then I think it should be good. So as for the feel, it's really like buttery smooth, and it feels so nice. The plastic feels really smooth and there's really little friction. So like, this turns really flow. Like, if you look at this, I mean, it's really just flowing. Corner cutting isn't great. It has trouble doing one piece. But I'm pretty sure just because this cube is a little bit tight. And actually, let's loosen it. Alright, I hope after I loosen it, it won't become like super unstable. Okay, just do like 1/2 wrist turn. Okay, so loosened it, let's see how it turns now. Okay, I think it's too loose now. Yeah, what the, okay, yeah, no, okay, that does not work. Let's tighten it like 1/4 wrist turn. Okay. Well, that's actually pretty nice. Yeah, it's not bad. Okay, I still can't get over the fact that like the very outer layers are like the most sluggish. Okay, I'm still getting a few small little lockups. Like if you look over there, I don't even know what's happening here, but like I'm sure if I turned a lot more accurately, it wouldn't lock so much. Like it's really effortless to turn. It's just that with my turning style, I turn really roughly, so like I'm really inaccurate. And this cube still doesn't really have much corner cutting, and especially reverse corner cutting, like it doesn't do half a piece. But for a budget 6x6, this is fine. And if you're going to be getting your first 6x6, this is by far the best option. I mean, like, you're going to be getting a really solid 6x6 for such a cheap price. So that's all for this video of the Mofeng Jiaoxi MF6. Oh, that was pretty cool. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe. That's all for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Okay, never mind guys. This cube is freaking horrible. I hate it so much. Never get it. I'm just kidding. It's not that bad, but I mean, take a look at that. Oh geez, this is really weird. Like, cubes popping? That hasn't happened in years. This freaking centerpiece isn't going in. What the heck? Jeez, what a freaking douchebag centerpiece. Oh shit. Okay, take a look at this. Oh, what the heck? Okay, you know what? It's fine. It's fine. You know, okay, it's fine. I'll just, you know, reassemble this.